How to enable or disable night mode for standby display on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on standby. Next, tap on display. Then we go down and tap on night mode. Tap on the toggle button to turn off night mode or to switch on night mode for standby. And here says standby display with a red tint in low ambient lighting. So here we have night mode, and if I switch it on, now the room at the moment I have is quite bright, so I'm not sure it will work or not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then if I go in and switch it off, let's see if it's applied a red tint. So it's already on, so here we'll turn it off. So I'll make sure I tap on the back key to save the changes, and then I'll turn it on the side. Now I'm not sure if you can notice the difference or if there are any differences at the moment, because my room light is quite bright, but that is how you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.